I would like to introduce you to Informatica Cloud Real-Time, which today adds to the capabilities that are offered by Informatica Cloud's data integration capabilities, such as data integration, test data management, data quality, and master data management. Informatica Cloud Real-Time provides customers the means by which to integrate with services. Through Informatica Cloud Real-Time's services, customers can create process automations and automate processes that they run in the cloud, that they expose to their customers and their applications, and integrate services and applications that are deployed to the cloud, as well as providing the ability to integrate services and applications that are deployed on-premise using Informatica Cloud's secure agent. Another capability of Informatica Cloud Real-Time is its capability to expose through ScreenFlow embedded in applications such as Salesforce, with the ability to interact with data wherever it is in real time. Informatica Cloud Real-Time is a hybrid solution, allowing your cloud and on-premise applications to be integrated seamlessly through service-based integration provided by Informatica Cloud Real-Time. In this demo, I'm going to show you how we can use Informatica Cloud Real-Time to provide interactive access to data residing in multiple applications. In this scenario, I'm going to show you how we can leverage an on-premise app to look up invoice details, how to leverage NetSuite to be able to determine account information and balance information, to leverage Salesforce to create contacts that do not already exist, leveraging LinkedIn, for example, to obtain information about the user, as well as Amazon Web Services to send email to this user. In this demo, I'm going to show you how you can interactively access this data right from within Salesforce or a mobile device, and demonstrate how easy it is for non-developers to be able to create this automation. So let me show you this demo. In my demo, I'm acting as an agent processing invoice. So I'm going to use a process invoice guide. This process invoice guide is going to input the process number or the invoice number that I was given. And in real time, we're going to find information about that invoice. We'll get this information from an on-premise system. So this is who this invoice which originated from. And the invoice has to be paid by the company. And we're looking up Alpha Corp's current details in real time from NetSuite. Next, we determine there are insufficient funds to proceed to payment of this invoice. So do we have a finance contact for this account? Well, I remember receiving an email from the finance contact, but it's not in Salesforce now. So I'm going to create one by pressing no, by providing the finance contact's information. Pressing continue. We find the individual's title, and we're going to prepare an invoice for the user, telling him that there are insufficient funds and he needs to replenish his account. So in real time, we've received an email informing us to add money to the account, and at the same time, what happened is a new contact was created automatically. So how did we build this? Well, we went to Informatica Cloud, selected Design, Services, and Processes. We created a guide. In this case, I'm going to show you the completed guide. The process invoice guides as a set of steps. The first one is to call a REST service, which based on an invoice number will return some information. Then we will call another REST service, giving the customer number, will return ID, first name, last name, and street. And finally, we call the NetSuite service, passing the internal ID of the account obtained from Salesforce to return information back from the account. So you'll notice that each of these steps are pre-integrated either by Informatica, your partners, or integration that you've done yourself using the means that I've shown you in the past demo. Once information is presented, we can use a screen step to present the information to the user in real time. Let's show you how it should be shown in preview. And this is what we saw in the earlier part of the demo. How we edit it is simply by selecting fields and dropping them into the desired location in this simple HTML editor. Then we branch based on logic. So if the balance is less than 5,000, then we proceed down this path. We use a Salesforce create contact service to be able to create that contact. We leverage LinkedIn to look up the user's information in LinkedIn, and presented the information using a screen step to the user in real time. We saved, we published, and the guide is ready to use. Thank you.